Hello fellow trans lovies, I am your girl Lady, bringing you your hottest news. So if you're new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and also leave a comment below. So guys, there's someone who is actually Umangcobo from Uzalo imposter, someone who is actually robbing people in the name of Mangcobo, and she actually promises people that he's gonna give them roles in Uzalo and actually takes their money. So uMangcobo guys uyaziqhelanisa nale bugebengu uthi lo muntu akamazi umuntu loyo ofuna abantu imali athi uyena uThandeka Don King, uthi kuthiwa uyinyanga lo muntu lona, so uzenza uMangcobo and ufuna imali kubantu uyabaqola. So guys niqaphele kakhulu uma khona umuntu kuWhatsApp ozotshela ukuthi uMangcobo uzoxhumanisa nedlozi lakho, niqaphele kakhulu uMangcobo akusiyena lo, umuntu nje ozenza uMangcobo ufake isithombe sakhe. So guys ningavele nikhiphe izimali nje to someone othi uzonisiza in the name of ama celebrities wethu. So guys, I'm out till next time.